da wonu say da bia me ka cho say edru mimini da anopa say a na je say I ma say de me name abadwafo say be sinkonwa na ye de wedi ato ni din say Agoro Ne Fom ebre oba bia obia ene so ye won komo a e wo say yetimi e de to wanim na yedi ho enkomo a enya asem ketua kra wonu say na wotwe mu ensem bebre na akoso a enya asem ketua ye ba bedi ho enkomo na Kumase Asante Kotoko wonu say ene a ye kasa yi no omo aform omo new management a che say nana yaw amponsa a ne ya ye kasa yi oye the chief executive officer of Kumase Asante Kotoko no ene wabon modern atonsa frɛ nipa bi a ofi sɛ adwuma yi a abayi no anase adwuma yi ahye ne nsa no ɔne ɔmo betimi ayɛ ama emfie miensa ɛda yɛ nimu no bibia so ebetimi akɔyie ɛde ama boboku no saa nkɔmɔ no anɔpa yi yɛbɛhwɛ na yɛbisa nsɛm wɔ ho sɛ wohwɛ mpanyinfo a na yɛ amponsa afa ɔmo abɛka ne ho sɛ wɔn nya adwuma yi a ɛnɛ wɔn betimi adwuma no ama Asante Kotoko boboku no atumi afa ne ntoma pa afrana. Don't forget say team no eba be call Africa eno no me ka Africa me kire say the CAF Champions League no ene wo mo ko gira Ghana na mu omo ne Obuasi Ashanti Gold nyina eye nkomo a ye behwe so far as sa management we eye concern na afi unim say abato afi mu ne ye wo no se wo hwem a bosumi a ewo mi eye September, October, November, December, the first week of December, near Tuaba, our Ghana. I know a election 2020. Now MPP and NDC, the two biggest political parties are our Ghana. Ubia a camp you wait me ayama a year Ghana mine in terms of sports. Say a Tuaba ma woman and yema one be ye a good year. And also manifestos me no or the association. Me did say yes we air sports no o see to me adaji na ye hwen nsem no mu yi say niema mo se mo betimi mo be ya ma ye no ampani ampa say mo betimi aye e de ama e Ghana man no e ka agudie mu nsem in terms of sports development niema mo se mo be ye no mo betimi aye na say e kasa bi keke e na mo ka e de actually Ghana for based upon the track record of the two political parties ni nyina ye nkomo a eno so ye behwe die Ghana Football Association for so ene ya yekese o masi gina bebrebe wo ba kai number 12 anas video no ayi e ba ya yesi referees bia jeje bribe no ene Ghana Football Association atrase atro kratare akoma wo ma ye chi o mo video no nyina charge wo mo ai ne asem no ye beto nsafro mo nyina ma akoma na ye be di asem no ahemfa ena ebekwa kosie Techman City Football Club ene ayekese Ghana Football Association Executive Council esingodwa say wo matam Football Association no e de akọ asem bia uni say Ghana ha e wo mramu say asemba e wo Football Association na wo ye club a wontumi mfa Football Association no enko the ordinary law court because ye wo mra wo Football Association ma yetimi di asem na Charles Kwadwo team e ye Mickey Charles Techman City Football Club or the Football Association no e ko court abra okoje injunction say or the beto congress no so no and so Football Association no a suspended Techman City Football Club and common doors one we are not don't hear about we ye to be unfriending nyina but kakra mrem me yakwan bia no ye behwe na ye di ho enkomo when we say in the English Premier League no so no 12 games e ho no a enya asem ketwa me dey di Kwadwo mensa mo shosho me da aseso akan e ho ene anopai na ye di dwumedi no ebreo e obabia wo bia na onipa ya to nsa frɛ no na yene no ebedi nkomo ena no pay no onye nipa dada onye obi a se wodi game na chiacha o wonti ni dinda woti ase e Ghana football a odi mu akotene yie pa especially Kumase Asante Kotoko wako in and out of a lot of Kotoko management. In fact the last management he Dr. Kwame Chie management na oye a member of that management until so on Rankasa resign here at the free management in the emu. Currently, Black Stars B or no or team manager of Black Stars B Oguso Boduma at the Emma or my Ghana. A friend of Ura Edmond Aka. Aga, good morning. na bibi aboko de
nyame adom
wa boku ma si Asante Kotoko college na mana efe pa
enra me see you me yara
bibi abe fine with me but at least what me who say Kotoko mo nose mask no so
yeah
bad
enra me see you ne na pamfo anamoto omutu koshia sports minister no I ginger me on the paper say no say ye shatare no ye di PH na ye di draw supporters and say ball no na ye nya start here ba club no that's all yes
nice one ye be die no ho nkobo because minim say time na dey amponsan ne mpanyifo be chia minister no ba hu pictures ni ade say you say mo minister no visit ni ade ya na mo de atuto to time na dey amponsan ene ne mpanyifo ko shara minister no more pictures na mo de ato amankofo ahu ana yahwefo atimi ahwe city but man we are interested in the English Premier League no and then the big game coming on no Manchester United or Crystal Palace and ebebo na Arsenal and West Ham abonti United and Arsenal matches and United versus Crystal Palace. Don't forget say Crystal Palace no Jordan are you the last time Crystal Palace and Manchester United ishaya Old Trafford last season no Jordan ebo goal mu at the ball to United for Atenamu. He's going back to Old Trafford. The very how sad game no ebesifa akọ and then your Arsenal, West Ham United and also Everton and West Brom that big game and also Elbaso Carlo Ancelotti and Ekita Everton Bobokuno and then you the big game tomorrow and Stamford Bridge and Chelsea versus Liverpool. That is the big game. So exactly 2:30 p.m. that game no ye dey ahihye so enya sem kitu akra and then Southampton and Tottenham and ebebo and then Leicester so ebebo against Burnley and right in the German Bundesliga Charlie Bayern Munich for aka enya sem kitu o omo she 8 omo ne Shaki na boy omo she Shaki for makumako 8 enya sem kitu was it it's 8 no
no I wish
I graduate 8 but truly manager no buy no build team in the power with the young boys players in the home kra no mo ye players are unti omudin Afoso Davis one na tinida and they look at the way
almost serious football
almost serious football
German football
and right Shaki 8-0 Lewandowski mo obi a left and right that is adwuma Hansi Flick aye e dey ama Bayern Munich Boboku no nti eno ne de ehormo but mame ensha say aka with Kotoko new management no because of your experience as a club administrator in Kumasi Asante Kotoko no and me say ye de eno ehya now 2 days ago na Asante Kotoko for e release eba abonten and I want to share the release with ye omo yahwefo normal confirm the appointment of the new management. I'll say appointment of management team. Say you how wait me there two screens so now for actually. Or say on behalf of His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II and the board of directors of Asante Kotoko. It is with great honor that I announce the management team to steer the affairs of our great club in the next 3 years. Into management yeah, Kotoko appoint you no. Omo ebe ye adwuma no in the next 3 years. Mandate 3 years mandate. Ena yede ama wo. Now your Emmanuel Newton Dasuberry na oye former Deputy General Secretary of the Ghana Football Association and they will resign take up the appointment of Administrative and Operations Manager Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And then you were Moses and Tribenefo Dudo na himself any PJ Mose or your journalist formerly no Yejuma or GMPC Foundation as the communications director or also and Akuteki Kotoko for communications manager position no enti na yese and what's no and you Eric Amakuchum or also a finance manager and then you were Denta Amwatin MB or no a diaspora and international relations manager and you were Akuya Pokuya Kwatin one head of legal domestic, and then you want Nilo Efori, or head of legal international, and Sana David Obin Nyakon, the special assistant to the chief executive officer. Now, Nanya Ponsan team what build in the Aka. What dream was when they say your initial reaction when you saw this team to lead the affairs of Manchester City Kotoko for the next 3 years, net is saying.
Me share 2 areas.
Okay.
First area administrative and operations.
Okay.
Then the second one communication.
Right.
Yes.
Why those 2 areas?
In football, baby in here that area Although also commercial
Commercial affairs manager.
Yeah. Also very but nipa no audio about those positions nipa be a minimum over the years.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You know them?
I minimum over the years. But meaning PG over 20 years. Ima so sa ima kwa no aye adwuma FA on the Premier League board for 5 years, but minimum 15 years.
Okay, hold on, because we say utisi kwanuma break bia emba enti abusan for ya basisia. Live on Adom TV and when you go to our here, that's say what train here, ama yako aba. Aka, now one go to our kasa ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko, new management. And I also touch it on 2 areas. That is the administrative, and I feel the communication. And I'm busy adding to that.
Who's the chief director of the sports ministry?
Yeah.
Or China birthday, also as any
Oh, okay. Mr. Question.
Mr. Frank Quist.
Frank Quist, okay.
Or China birthday.
Okay. And the man, happy birthday.
Udia Kopa, Monday holiday.
Nice one. Nice one.
Yeah. Could you?
Yeah.
Nana Amponsa, as a CEO, any management or building.
Yeah.
Sa area, Minu, we are Macano. So when young for be handle honor, I'm supporters any idea. I say a bunk of food, and so many him before send a caution class. Supporters in Yabo Tremor, say the football, yeah, 7 at him the deal does home. Say the Bay more uncle Cassentia Sampen for no. Oh, Yabaka say you are for 470, Ubia Bejatum, but me uncle Park, no so, and a bibika crab being see now. He will be away at 1 o'clock. So when the names, start to say pop up on baby, I'm a communication and administrative, teacher administrative. And I did many pass and I add operations to administration. And then Nipa Baya or the number for that position. Obey will be about for the 2 key areas. Well, if you Nipa on the level, no, to me, handle one can be a problem. But then many I say Nipa no de no share on or the South 2 in a share salon. And mommy hope.
But me person would say the office honor the critical thing. Kotoko for now.
Could you near puberty? I see a fine Kotoko. Kotoko boy, we are supporters in GSA Ubiachi protest. Oh, registration and service Kotoko committee deadline. Player transfer. Some issues we in our app. So what I say? Yeah. We have a CEO now. Your man on mandate for 3 years.
Yeah.
Well, you are specifying the or the say the areas of operations. Your channel the mandate are on ye, and then the answer so yeah. So what I say? So this time around, you will not get anybody from the board. And Nije Bako say, a brother didn't coach you 2-4 can say, so Biaka Bano Kase na Nasia or Moboa. Shumuna Juma. Okay. And no see Niji Sem Kesiepa, and the man and I are in the team to me Juma. It is in the course of the duty, no more as a manager, no take a decision. Or more your power being fused from Marseille. I debut or honor, not administratively. Wono, I want to him say, Sana Mrano Chre, say na football, no Sana Mrano catcher. Decision be take Kibiano. Oberfa regulation, and all they take a decision. So, offer F, you know, when your solution, you go to CAF and FIFA. But here is our case. Obeti say, Obi the on take Kesanaseno. Now or the to me be aba papa no say person maybe now I said who focus on obi papa no say I just say penny be say
yeah
so what I say regardless of our knowledge na penny say no so
yeah
on say ya won so be one say on to me continue per o say ma resign
yeah
because so when jaya e be say na wonim say nya na woto so nti ade e me de e wo mu no say wonya sa tumi no o start say o anazo mo baako mako uhu baby ade no fu mo na bia betom ansem na wo wie no officially o di ato ho pan wo administrative and operations and the engine of the club yes so when you are a competent person obi owning the know how in football amana nkoye say adwuma no a obetia say ya ball ewie yesi afan hwe Africa ye boy no o enta o kwa Africa nyame wa no ko group stage a sika na wo de befie o bo se niema bi asabi enye football mra enye football kesa na ye sika kakra obenya no ebeyo na ka for titi ni nyina o koka yesi wo yetu no na ya twa ntrosim bi ato so na ene no kra ye pe na club na di nya den no de car for do sika no beba no now from 275 now about 130
yeah titi
won't ase
all because of
fines man call in operator football mra go for omo team sheet so players in the 11 operation so 7 from both sides at the bench 7 technical men medical for security police for any idea we be wana be or star no invade in a perimeter referee I was saying near Tunsu. Say, pen no nya trope.
Say what you
beto. Oboka for the $5,000.
Throwing off.
Oh yes. Say GFA there 1,250 Ghana cedis. Car for there $5,000.
So you must obi atunsu akoto park no so $5,000.
She say we hu antro.
Wow.
She say we hu antro.
It is supported so ya no munim sa na we say ball na e koso no nsuo bottle na ekita no so otokoto park no so o club na wo say wo do no ye beti no $5,000.
Who say confederation na ye ma those who say ye bo confederation no.
Yeah.
You take time pa nanti chrome ye door to door shop to shop publicity.
Yeah.
Unlike the usual way at TV ni radio so no. Well, you come for shops ni ade. Omebo nipa no betre wi mu aton ade a no dey or dey aba stadium we betu ama crab no na nipa ba ku miinu bi ni etutu niema na ya sanji scan so ho eti obehu ana yankasa ye mbi so ye ntie adwuma na ase no wo ye gesture na ye science bi on the say or access to the inner perimeter as officials
yeah
ye bibi pe na a ginger supporter no so ye bibi so what dey no
you be react
yes nipa no ye dey na koto sa position no right onim de make nyina so what does it you no get no onye na why bi na o ye so bet no waka kire so what does it but here is Edmonaka who is an Accra rep although management mandate him say menya say adwuma no nyina enka madwuma ho but people see me say oh you too no o tinka na o wade no it you know me eya me de e that area de make nyina so no e sakofa communication most of the time no better say any man for you supporters better say publicity or form communication ko yi
yeah
ye kan se twefo okuro wi akwaba ye bo amo account to mu na eyinu generation free mu a na ye ba ya die ya bo so me no mu nyina ye sha ase me gidi say wo bo sometime adi I want to mo PG ni ara me bo in PJ I know that me catch K5 mu say PJ there or we need P or they ba on board So I say near man no to me can you know ebi won o ni mapi o de ba on board. And now won say training na say bi o ti radio so ana website bi ana bi whether Accra or Kumasi or any phone. O yen some training PG. So I say oh class ya fans and trophy be PR. Omo ba ni undermine omo. Yeah, the same media ni undermine omo.
Media for undermine.
Oh yes. Kokwa yen kra mu nyina wo de no mo mehia. So
media na undermine.
PJ oh yes, PJ nyamresa. PJ nyamresa. So what there no. It you know say wafa a communications manager sebi odi ni huni. Our respect in the society. So that so be mount that respect now also they also well respect yes. It you know those two you know and whatever boy it best ma PJ nyamre who dey make PJ nyamro it always complaints bebre ba Kumasi media anameboa so what is you know yes supporters
but so what koye adwuma Kumasi. What is the problem about Kumasi media? For Kumasi media.
Most of the you say they think that so we got the PR I say we Kumasi ni ana uti Kumasi. So uti Kumasi so offer wa homashe kro say ofa.
Wow.
So me can say 2006 you call Afcon or Egypt. You were airport you nya check in. You go do 5 every say di pano we who say all call na the Ghana time na the gusu kuda no say dey you. Yet you whatever ho che answer buses in road as na convey. Yet bus go no or start my report say there or you know a live program. See what there no. It will show say send pan no e be a start time no here in production or Ghana. And we expect say mo show e kotokopia on the mafro no I say on the
offer. Okay.
So most of them no so no Niman pay minimum no ebia me catch PJ in private. Most of them they say Edmonaka Basempa FM when you go to official one call Adom FM. One call the same multimedia me mbobi no bia ka so target no. One call Joy FM. And oba Asempa kwa na oba. Unya line no.
Mama hu say na je say wo ye yimu okwa radio station we but I had your uncle. Okay.
So, iti adere be cause over there. No, omo no mo didi komo omo na ade na generate into yi. It is a onye media person a, oye club adwuma e bia wo wait, oye dinner. O last.
And if we say PJ will cut across, he will be accepted in Kumasi.
Oh now, yes. You see, ya bre ewo you know the frequent change of administration ne personnel club no mo.
Okay.
Me who that so very appointment said the emribi ora asphalt toku ete house of folk. House of folk say mo ka de bo mo samani nyina no. Omo refi say na ye wo bi a na ote ho over the years a oye asphalt toku. Sa na kotokwa yesisi a.
Okay. That's so very there no.
Yes. In the same way to say PJ. So it you know ye as a supporters no ye na see carry this fight. So I don't ye can share the masses, not necessarily Kumasi media. Ghana for you now say your brain changes. But the near hard so I don't know. Say a far a kotoko. As of folk, almost success of my chocolate over the years. Ashford, any panophobia, consistency of munyai, a hot chair, a jimo moyeno, and ne omugusu didio. Well, omoko fire line in Binoa, and now we back, no we about near about. Gerard aba we aba ni ade nyina no e na omo team a 11 years and still counting after omo ko omo so na say 2 years am league. So we know
and you say Kotoko this time around this is the time Kotoko here consistency in management.
Me person support e bia no e di na ni hwe ade a ye fe no circle it is a round.
Say round.
So what I say?
Yeah.
Kotoko supporters base you know and out of Bibina impenufo ediganfo no kan etu ndi so mo fe no the circles.
Yeah, the circles.
Yes, the circles. So what are no eti ye fe ani nko ho na ye fe ntwa club no nhia
Mfa say
ye fa hade na na was say in the next 3 years.
Yeah.
So what are no ye ntwa circle e wo club no for the next year without any interference from anybody. Na ye hade
Mfa say ntwa circle.
Yes, e wo club no me ka club say they are the leaders.
Yeah.
So without listening to outside influence BBR so I don't know ultra circle one a bit to me room.
So ultra circle.
Yeah.
So ultra the year.
Ultra yes.
Obi ntimi room.
Obi to be room. It ain't try for the next 3 years near radio.
Sana wo hwe supporters no.
Exactly because e di no mo boboni ade nyina no. Say wonim say ball na ye elite table. The first year you throw P stand for EBA play number of matches over.
Yeah.
No about W
Win.
No about D draw. No about lose.
Yeah.
No about goals for goals against. Yeah. No about points.
Points, yeah.
So iti anya say akoba ku bi o meduru ba bi kra bi team no akobo match ya ball draw. Ye hwe the opposition no you know opponent no e ofai.
Okay.
E kotokonti adenti na ya ball draw. Na obi akokukuru ba bi ni edi echi yo. Say one ware no. Yeah, we should watch we should reason up. Na you try circle. For the next year on the team, yes.
But there are many who believe say one of the things aha Kumasi Asante Kotoko even infighting within management.
If you are
within management.
If you are
at the time I be appoint outside who say bibia ye kama. Then so enche bia say mpanyifo na ye omo nankasa management nankasa no matwa mo ho na ntokwa san sim. Enti the kind of progress as a club ni nya no omutimi enya.
Kojo say you trust circular infighting management. My mentor ware Owura Kofi Aban, yeah. Me who need that in my life. Me who need that. Me share that.
Yeah.
Even the first time meeting, they say you appointed on the board.
Yeah.
But Twitter and I started to say me who know that management my about board so maybe or throw or you see donation. Hey.
Acquire donation no.
Hey.
Say I didn't acquire donation.
I didn't acquire team nanye.
Acquire donation I think Kumasi home.
No,
I think it was during the Muslim Salah, you know.
And no plans as well, make cars, no.
Cars then.
Vehicles, no.
I can't know the man coach anyway, no. Oh, okay.
The next time, I say TV, the tweet to be on Kotoko TV. Now you kukuru baby, now supporters assume a bigger issue. Before be no, now supporters also mobile apiche camp not TSC board no so. To the sense that people be more classy in good board. I did if you was any man. But Bisa say, asem na wo tie no ye no kra na. Papa no me information na me wo of which are true and na ye no kra no. And they say cars no or hand it over to the CEO.
Okay.
Then the CEO drove the car to meet the head coach and handed over on only day to him.
Okay.
But nko bi kukura de ne say ena ade na ma Kotoko ankasa anya presentation. Say what were
there na ma Kotoko anya presentation.
Ye ti asem no na ye jump into it. Into me say ma ye nya boto ye twa circle no. Ye fa ndi omochi. Ma obi mpe obi enche obi. Dia omo nyina no e serve the team no.
Okay.
So what were there no. Omo nyina serve team no. Ye team ya e wo ho no mo ba ko phone to me ye. Sanka CEO na ko mo fa no anka. On fa nkrofo anfa special assistant. So what I say?
Yeah.
Anka on fa special assistant. Sanka ye fa no wie no asa. Office ni so na ko room.
Okay.
Ye bobo na coach a organize ko for no mo de ko. Pa ko phone to me ye. So nti no mo bia on pitch camp and I wait to say and I show way yo and I say yo one club. And I football club. Club ye as a team. Ye can team ye as
a team.
A team. And I show way yo. Me o frame me. Me wo power now frame me. Now can mo show maybe say e dey na obetumi aya mo show to me. E che dey obetumi aya na me foul. Then say you try and bring somebody down.
But someone can say Kotoko is a political club. And so you do politics with the club.
Into political parties no sa no mo ye. Say political club as a political parties here. Against themselves or within or mono sa no mo ye. Sa no mo ye. Apart from say time as you call primaries now will be a pitch camp. Sa no mo ye. Omo nyesa. And yeah, you di club no che sa. You know all these political parties no. It yem bi say you say sa na ye wo. Sa football is governed by rules and regulations. Say won tiasia, say see kwa de IT, who call we say obetumi akọ Agoro FIFA. Now what search for be out FIFA status and now regulation. Ubenya say download. Ubenya say akọ ubenya.
Yeah.
So all the you know maybe you go match say Sunyane se Kumasi. You ball match we Kotoko Olympics say 3-0 say 4-0. Now I'm den chair ma ora de kuka. No jump from VIP. I have won. I then I got to protest into one winning.
Okay.
Sometimes there was no regulations available. And you face
regulations.
Nipa mi onu bi ko trebe bi e di asemo wi. Near the ruin aba. Ebu okra obo match in Sunday, Monday na graphic. Why any little table what 2 points and one no.
Yeah.
E final untumi nye hwe. And then tisa. So you know football no e change mama yentwa circle. Ewo obia the board, management, the technical team and the playing body.
Okay.
So Yami Chade is say quite your platform, WhatsApp platforms bibri. Your Kotoko Express app. Your Kotoko Twitter. Inti say o ti bibi kra. On say you see aye kese. Nkofo o tie me. Oba peki bibi wo mu a, onu fu say e bia negative to him. Not that the banner headline. No mass security. Yeah, nkofo so be ehu pe. On face na asemu yo nipa na otwere oni nekasa na oni mosu nekasa e bia de watwere kwa entro na hey
well no ye the Ogura Edmond aka kan e wo Adom TV so say Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters no na we akokan we o say the entire frame with the circles no muntwa kanko no
it goes to all the supporters. Some supporters are the form circles. Supporters not the form circles.
Yeah.
I was born as a Kotoko supporter. Me here me do baby no. Then I start say me join the circle.
Okay.
So and then near the official umbrella of the club. It is all the supporters. Obia omo also saying you know you are registered as a circle members.
That's right.
It we a supporter now baby circle no ase no.
Okay.
And you omo registered and recognized obi enu mo no. Because you call stadium now in Shototo no we no. And yes circle members na toto.
Okay.
Because omo dey registered nti wo ye bibia e behu e betumi aso mu. So won ware no nti no e koma obia wo so ra wo shatare we say me e Kotoko ni.
But okasem no na akwai say now Kotoko anya solution to the administrative problem na e club. Now Kotoko has solved more administrative problems in terms of appointing Dasuberi.
Yeah, all say 2000 and after 2003 after 2003 yeah. Ura Sylvester so now ban to my
yeah.
Now I running back 10 years and you winning league da. Obe winning league man.
Yeah.
Otunfo came out with the board in 2004.
Yeah.
Then the board interviewed a Pancrofor and appointed CEO. Said
yeah, I think that was the time Major Yalas, the late Major Yalas.
Yeah. The Major Yalas was appointed as the CEO.
Yeah.
Of forming the team. Said they are forming the team.
Yeah.
And then you Confederation Cup finals.
Yeah.
So
finals.
So that
was in 2005.
Yes. So say oh here the man say the distraction say eto ho no a. When then say ya appointed go I don't know over the years. It means I say but if you say you move to this arrangement now, rather no every boy asking we Mamika we this appointment the administrative manager you know be him say na hire Kotoko because say 2 years and not 3 years now ya supporters you suban na change na change ba na foforo ba na asa apichi camp sa na obi akọ na foforo ba na obi akọ na foforo ba. Now your administrative manager, I'm tempted to believe say boy no minimum no any CEO no that you small osun your kofa this young boy no. Eba me say yen lucky bibi even say bibi ntina omo be kokora me sure say you benya on be ja bibi a obi a oba be so mbia betumi edi so ntumi the party away from it. 2015 5 years ago when you were say 5-member board or 7-member board no pokunti na general manager.
Yeah.
Also, who this problem say we need an administrative manager.
Okay.
And yes, administrative manager, Madame Funu be to be
okay.
Competent and obi onim the know-how in football manatra. Only ni positive or no. That's very we are.
Oh, okay.
But he did not get the support. That's very we are.
Okay.
5 years ago.
When he did
5 years ago, I'm telling you.
Okay.
So, when you support from So for Nana, I'll say after 5 years, when your opportunity to serve this club, no one father so be no. And then even after 5 years, baby, a young boy we are developing who do. Masa game ni ene wo mu. Ye nim di obetumi ayen di ontumi ye.
Oh, okay. Okay, munim di obetumi ayen.
Oh, ye nim di obetumi ayen di ontumi ye.
Okay. All right. Abusanfo, all right, Monaka, a former management member of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Oba, remember not touch it on that Accra rep in the Juma conspicuously missing our management team. Accra rep.
Yeah.
It has been there for a long time. Imagine I doing it. Yeah, but it's here. Adom TV and I when you go so ahwe dem say otwen ye ya san ababiu mi dey kwadwo ben sam hwehwe dwumade no Agoro Ne Fom. My guest Edmond Aka, former management member. In fact, he's been a long time Accra rep of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. That is the reason why maybe I say Accra rep, you know, say a position be most of the time from the late Kwame Amwabosom Pim time a feature prominently our management be as a way there. Nana, you are consider the appointment of an Accra rep.
Yes, I know because the office of the Accra rep, out of a year now, every recognize and a regulation.
Oh, okay.
A administrative position, but now, like I said, we have a setup of a full administration.
Yeah.
One in the club. One.
Okay.
First of all, say ABCU be management ni na ye ad-hoc you. Businessmen we kobobo ani ehia. And you know, if you don't have somebody obey devote to the time for that position as a career for the know-how in football. So about Mabo Sumpim. Look at him. If you have a Mabo Sumpim, see you da better.
Okay.
What I say, who will be the Mabo Sumpim as a career, see you da better. What I say,
oversee the operations of the club.
Yes. So you know, say ne wakofo obi aba Ghana obi agina tu. Obi age Ghana football, the football community, the football people.
Yeah.
Obi asu say FA lusu yimama kotoko. Obi asu we all know ye nim the boy no betumi aye.
Okay.
So what are they no? It may say ordinary for that position, now a permanent position. Now Ima or so she come from Accra to Kumasi. Waman a dine or team, Waman a setup or an office. No, Yejuma, no, when you're a repa and say,
and do we say the position of a car rep is no affected?
Yes, said the administrative setup, Obi or no administrator or BBL. The office or the permanent or a finance manager, and a deputy. So, I don't into no position or criticism as administrative and operations manager. And any pabaya or to hono. I don't think that obi befi baby abeye Accra repa. A Jumano or no that boy.
Okay.
So what I say, it is one say wa fanwa. Ora se versa sa musu nyina be kotoko see you. Say omo ye business when on ba no be share na a meeting ni apon.
Okay.
Na share da ni mu bi oti office because into that time nobody say that rep position a key.
Right.
So when you are the right person, also you are in trouble.
But now that we don't
now that we have the administrative and operations manager,
there's no.
I will go through the mail.
There's no need for a car.
No. The CEO is here. Even the operations, the administrative manager, no. Say they didn't crazy. They didn't call FO. They are no meetings.
Okay.
They are no meetings. The meetings is they are car so. You call Congress. Say before the few months, be call Congress. Whereas in the Accra meetings in the congresses, it is a true meeting. So, be able to me, Abba Siako.
Okay.
Well, you know me, I don't see it as a problem. Say, I don't know administration. We are repping him because of the caliber of people who are assembled. And then a Jimano no, you know, me who say a problem.
Okay. Now, but you see that this is the squad to bring the Porcupine glory. Bring back the Porcupine glory on.
No, I mean touch other areas. So that area is in a business area, a whole area.
Okay.
But Obi say the work day ground.
Yeah. The job day ground.
The job day ground.
Yeah.
Say if groundsmen, no.
Yeah.
The administrative and operations, any communication, PJ, more jumano, or want to be and carry the supporters along. In Penfono, CEO, AEU, that various, you know, then Tamone, ne call for Obi and home juma. So what I say? Obi and home. Okay. It you know that area no PJ department, ne Ima department, no. And now, Eshem crime pa because momo to me. Say the minimum no omo beye ni aye say the minimum so beye no a e be ma corporate for no corporate for no e be e wana then ta mo ne Mr. Amwakon chum mo no so beye free e be ma special assistant no so mo say ni specialization no
branding
no graphic you know designing you know say administration for no communication for no PJ mo handle yen supporters ni ya ebe mo David mo so e dey na eden
ayeden
so what no nti no ma me fa David emeka imane PJ mo adwuma no because e ho no so your communication
the special assistant
yes
okay
e ho no so your communication na mo show football for ni nyina ni age wafa for ni age Lagos City for ni age nana kwabna asenso bi cha ma ne mo nyina yesi mi che oh, big chance me charge the pay.
No, but
omo nyina obi ani age but I say I ho a wo call a platform no so a GFA matters platform no so a I ho ne say they think that if you know ye nyina your body no you lose him e no pay na any ade ho
right but that was for Kumasi Asante Kotoko the no and I think what address a lot of issues no for Asante Kotoko number senka ye hwe the political party manifestos, but your time now can't yet me find discuss it. What was your comment on quickly? I am to be a comment. So time the being be and da. Could you join our person count? There, I'm out for American. Could you 2015-16 Mediama Sporting Club, no more ball Africa. Yeah. Confederation Cup. And almost say Sundowns for no. Yeah, almost say Sundowns no. They were promised say Ibetia omo expenses in Africa momo. By Nilanti, when he was the sports minister. Fred Moses Bisa and said, I hear no demand. Yes, Shomo was Ibetia expenses. Yes. Expenses. Yes. Fred Moses Parker Bisa no. Iti me tell no got management no. And at the statement craba dated is it 19 for 27th January 2019. Say I buy Etia all Ghanaian clubs ever qualify for Africa. Yeah. Say we qualify to the bonus zone pay. Say Champions League amount $200,000. Yeah. Say Confederation Cup $150,000. A deal, down deal. Yeah, omaye. Yetua. And no cry me sure say CEO me home pictures we go share minister. Yes, Agoro Ne Fom so ko e idea that your policy e da ho, e government policy paper down. Me da so you know. Okay. It between the two. Me fa de o ka so be ye no waye no. De waye bia mo wahu no. Waye oguso ye. It is a wo buy no ntokwankwa na ono mbekon ye. You have to admit your fault say me buy no ma nya de. It mo fa che me no me opportunity me ye say ya. Okay. E de ho na magi wadi. Enti mo hwe mo hwe screen so no. Tama Kotoko new chief executive officer Nana Wamponsan Kosra the sports minister no screen so no. Enti bo say one the sports minister na say oh it was a mo de pa. The bra edom ko ordinary team no kochia sports minister. Yeah. Okay. So enti sabe me Kotoko ni team Kotoko. Enti from what I've heard from my team no say aluta continua because a statement from 2019 air corner Ghana buying Etua crowds participation in Africa. Okay. And pass on Metua. Okay. Another opportunity about yes and Kubim. Okay. And yet your promise so you will be the man in 2015 and went to Yan. Okay. One can sorry crying channel say and then we see after the mama me baby one. And when me too kada a guy be a me fan. Or say I'm going for pa na say me two man na say Obama say our parliament. Yen pass here 4 years no so. And na what can say me Jimmy. Okay. So that's because the eka you know you pass a law of parliament. Obviously they were starting implementation. Okay. Sports fund
And then they found it 1,500 for Premier League. What about Division 2? What about Division 1?
Unfortunately, your time no aso edi yebenya way on radio. So that I say on radio.
Okay.
Men worry yebenya mre a discuss pa. Alright, Mon Aka former management member of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ono ena yeneni edi nkomo e wo Agoro Ne Fom dwumadie so ene anopai no. Yeda say mo abutun hwe nyina no. Yeda ma say thank you very much for passing through.
The football formula
Nana Kwabena Asenso, we are administrative manager of Lagos Cities and a deputy CEO of Lagos Cities. Where?
Eric.
Okay, Eric, I like it. Okay, and I've we did the Mensa, which is to thank you very much. My director this morning, Steve Thompson, and our executive producer, Sergio Manucho. My cameraman, thank you very much. My soundman, lightman, it will be our boy, possible this morning. Say, Adom TV, as I say, as it